Let's learn how to achieve big Bowtie head wrap on your head by yourself. Let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone. Hello people. Welcome to my channel. This is Tech Beauty, my people. In case you are watching me for the first time, I based in United Kingdom, London. United Kingdom, because I have many messages. People are asking me, where do you base? Where do you base? Yes, today we are going to create big bow tie. See the way I do the measurement. One side is longer than one side. The short side is the 40, the long side is the 60. We measure it 40, 60. You start from the back. This style, the reason I like this style, you do it on top your wig. You bring your hair out. For those people that don't like to remove their wig, this style is good for you. You see, in case not be wig, any hair where you get braids, you feel tie on top your hair. Okay, my people, I have many discussion. I will try and rush many discussion inside this video. Okay, in case you want to book me for your event, I base here in United Kingdom. I'm available to travel, my people. Book me for your makeup, gele, traditional bridal hair, okuku, and the bridal hair as well. So book me. My number is there, so you can book me. Thank you, my people. So for more explanation, my people, in case you are watching me from YouTube, you are watching me from Facebook, I want to tell you this same style. I was on live yesterday on my Facebook and on my new YouTube. YouTube people, I have new YouTube channel which is called Tech Beauty Life, because we always do live stream there with special chronic explanation, with more explanation. You understand? So if you come to my live stream, I have more time to explain the length, everything. We teach how to apply makeup on our face, how to look beautiful. In case you dey see me for the first time, operation do it yourself, how to beautify yourself, how you can do it, madam. How you can do your makeup by yourself, if na large makeup, if na simple makeup, if you want to tie your gele, heavy gele, simple gele, like this style. Now, if you don't like it, I have this small bow tie. I have different style. I have more than, in fact, I have different style where I teach people. Come to my live stream. We do more explanation in my live stream on YouTube, Tech Beauty. The description, go to my description box on this video. You will see the name on my description box. In case you are still watching me from Facebook, I get two Facebook. One is Tech Beauty, the other one is Tech Beauty Life. The Tech Beauty Life on my Facebook, I always do live stream there as well. Okay. Merry Xmas to you all once again. How are you all enjoying? This week is our week of crossover. We all are crossing over the new year 2023. And it's our year of good news in the name of Jesus. So my people, I have a big question for those that are watching me, wherever you are watching me from. You are watching me from United Kingdom, Europe, anywhere, especially the women. I want to talk to my women, my fellow women like me. In case you are there, as we want to enter this new year, so my auntie, my sister, no excuse. What do you have? What plan do you have in your year 2023, auntie? What plan? In case you are there, you don't have anything that give you income. The way they bring money, they come for your house. Where they bring money, they come for you. You are watching me anywhere you are watching me from. Any part of the world. Because I have followers every part of the world. What plan do you have? Ask yourself, what is my plan for this new year? Especially the area of income. Except if you are a student, it's okay. If you know, I have many students, they go to school, they still work, especially here in United Kingdom. And so we take the runner. You go to school, you still work. But if you are just there, you are watching me every day, you sit down for social media, they watch video, and you are saying, you know where I am now, no work, because I did camp, I not get document, I not do this, this I I not job, this one excuse or the other. Now allow 2023, no, you are inexcusable. The book of Romans, it say, oh man, you are inexcusable. So God asked Moses, what do you have in your hand? Moses presents the rod. He says, stretch it to the sea. and the sea parted for them to pass. What do you have, auntie, in your hand in the year 2023? For those that are already strong, continue your hustle, continue your struggle. Like me now, God see and say, anything that will bring genuine money to me, I keep on pressing. I keep pressing. This is the age for you to continue to press and press. Not be say you can't dey 100 years, 60 years. You can't be bothered to your family, to everybody around you, because you know plan for your young age. It's like you are a footballer. At the age of 40, you start looking for club that will sign you, or at the age of 45, you dey look for club where go sign you, will come be football. You not fit become a professional football because you don't already old. Now let's street football if they play for park with all those old men. So madam, you can make money. I see one man that always come out. Iwe Agbada go say everybody must make money on this social media. Everybody, even many people, they come out, they teach people how to make money. If you don't want to bring your face, create content. Look for something to be doing. Just look for something. You can start small business even with 50 euro. I tell one girl, start stockfish. Go and buy the big bag, 50 euro. Then you tie am 5 euro. At the end, you see 30 euro gain. But most problem we have in this our generation, some women and some girls, they don't want to start small. They are just looking for 10 million, 1 million to start business. And now, they work like that. You can start with 50 euro. You can start with 100 euro. Whenever you are watching me for any currency you have, start with the little you have. I hope you people concentrate for this Gele. If you want to know how to do this Gele with more explanation, go in my live stream. I really sit down there, explain with my good grammar where I get. So what I'm trying to say, as we enter this new year, so many people, because the only thing I don't like, if I see woman that are just liability to their husband, I can't like it. You cannot tell me to like that attitude that now let your husband they work, except you know where, madam, auntie, if you know say you they sick, no problem. God go heal you, or you just get belle, your new put to bed. Apart from that, you can still be doing something online. You go buy stockfish or buy anything, learn work, learn something for yourself. You see this my Gele, or you can start social media, upload video, start small, but before you know it, your page go grow. You gonna get small money than you just sit down there. I take camp, I'm not working. This my video go so finish. Well, I will continue this topic on my next video, and if I go on live on Facebook today, I will continue. Look for something to do. You must make money, but money no go come if you no find out. See you on my next video. Bye bye.
Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me.